The sari, an exquisite garment that drapes elegantly around the body, is more than just clothing. It embodies the rich cultural heritage of India. Originating over 5,000 years ago, the sari reflects the diverse traditions and lifestyles of Indian women. Traditionally made from a single piece of cloth, usually 6 to 9 yards long, it is versatile and can be styled in numerous ways, catering to various occasions and personal tastes. Each region in India boasts its unique style, fabric, and draping technique, from the vibrant Kanjivaram silks of Tamil Nadu to the delicate Chandari weaves of Madhya Pradesh. The sari's significance transcends fashion. It symbolizes grace, femininity, and identity, often worn during important life events such as weddings and festivals. Beyond its traditional roots, the sari has evolved, integrating modern influences while retaining its classic charm. Today, fashion enthusiasts worldwide are embracing this timeless attire, infusing it with contemporary styles. By incorporating saris into their wardrobes, individuals celebrate the beauty of cultural diversity while making a bold fashion statement. The sari is not just an outfit, it's a narrative of tradition, elegance, and the artistry of fabric.